Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically make your videos look more high quality just using adjustments. So I'm just going to select this video right here, go to library and add in a white stock video and freeze frame that. Adjust it till the end of the video, and I'm just going to rotate it as well. Add in a black stock video and do the same thing that you did. Then select video, select mask, and select the horizontal. And I'm just going to, feather that out. I don't know why there's still like bits of the background, so I'm just going to adjust that again. Select both, right click, create compound clip, and then go to basic, and then go to blend mode. And you are going to select the overlay one, I think. But you're just going to adjust it because this one's a little bit too bright for this specific video. But you can go back to your video, go to adjustments, and then go to brightness and adjust it here. And then you're going to go to contrast and you're going to adjust that a little bit. Turn down highlights as well. And turn down shadows. Then you're just going to select sharpen and clarity. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!